Hello guys, Daniel Sierra here. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm saying hello after a run. I'm in Mount Eden. Can you see the tower back there? Okay. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about 3 things that you should take into consideration before quitting if you want to become a full-time entrepreneur in the future. So the first thing is, are you using wisely your job? Are you taking advantage of your job? And I don't mean it in a bad way, but are you using wisely your time at the office? Like, if you want to be for example, an online marketer in the future, you know you're going to need some skills. Are you improving those skills at your work, at your job? And if not, well, try to find a job within the company that will help you increase those skills or improve those skills in order for you to succeed in the future. Yep. Number 2 is, are you using wisely your free times? And I mean, we all have 24 hours in the day. We usually sleep 8 hours. We are at our job maybe for 9 hours or for 8 hours. So after having dinner and all of the other stuff, you probably will have at least 4 hours a day to work in your own business or in your own, whatever you want to call it, your own project. So people say that you at least have to start earning the same amount of money that you were earning in your job before thinking of quitting your job. So that's number 2. And they say that if you don't earn as much, then you shouldn't even think about starting your own business because you're never going to succeed. That's the harsh truth. And number 3, remember that you're going to need some money and you're going to need some time in order for your business to start growing. So I don't know if you've heard about this, but there's something called the emergency fund. And the emergency fund states that you should have at least 6 months of savings in your bank account in order for you to start building your own business without needing strongly that money in order to survive. So just put in a piece of paper, how much would you need in order to survive? It's not to have like a lot of money and go and spend it and use it like in other stuff. No, you do like a strict list of which are the things that you need to survive with, and then multiply it by 6. Like, for example, if you're doing it a monthly expenses, then multiply it by 6, and now you have an amount that you would have to start saving up to. And after having these 3 things, well, now you can start thinking about quitting that job that you hate. I wish this helps. I hope this helps, and I see you in the next video. Cheers.